Hi, I'm Lexa Kim Sablan, and this is my Sprout Up journey. Ever since I was a kid, I feel really close to nature. That's why, although I'm unsure of what course to take in college, I was certain that it was a field that is related to sustaining our planet. Yung una tinake ko is nasa engineering field, and what we do there is we transform raw materials into useful products. Pagtagal, I didn't really feel my purpose in doing that, kung nakakatulong ba talaga ako sa environment and such. And so, I thought one day, what would happen kung wala na yung raw materials natin? And that led me to decide to take on an agricultural-related course. And for me, it is a very humble profession na it's not really all about the prestige or the title. It's just really all about how you can provide for the growing population without compromising the health of the environment. And so, parang sobrang ganda na isa siya sa mga degree program na hindi lang tao yung natutulungan mo, kundi pati yung environment din. It's like lending a helping hand to the environment so the environment can help humanity and also animals to sustain and also help Earth sustain life. So in the future, I believe that agriculture will be a more appreciated and well-respected field. Ang nakikita ko talaga is kapag sinabi ng farmers na farmer ako, gusto ko maramdaman nila na proud sila sa profession nila, na considered as professional sila. Hindi sila farmer lang, kundi farmer kami. We are the ones who support life, and also we are the ones who really collaborate with the environment. Together, let us sprout up. This is Lexa Kim Sablan para sa Bayan, Agham at Agrikultura.